Hey, what's up guys, this is Irshad from Phonerefer.com. Vlogging is the latest trend in YouTube. So everyone wants to be a vlogger without breaking your bank, right? Here I found the perfect vlogging setup in budget. Let's check it out. These are the things what we need to build the vlogging setup. First thing in our list is manfotto Pixi mini tripod with a built-in ball head, which is a great piece of tech that you can use it with your DSLR and with your smartphones. This is ulanzi Ironman 2 smartphone holder. It made out of a good quality aluminum and also it has a cold shoe mount on the top of it, which comes really handy and which makes it the best. Over the build quality is top notch, definitely recommended. Next thing in our list is microphone from Boya. The model number is by-mm1. It's a shotgun microphone compatible with DSLR and smartphone by given two different cables. It also comes with a dead cat windshield, which is very handy while vlogging outside. Again, this also made out of a good quality aluminum and it sounds extremely good, as it has a hot shoe mount on it that it can fit to your DSLR and with that Ironman 2 smartphone holder too. Next thing in our list is your phone. Everyone has a smartphone, right? And this is how our setup looks after completion. That's pretty much for this video. I'll catch you guys in next one. Until then, like, share and do subscribe to Phonerefer.